Hello, this is Miss Peralta, and welcome to first grade. I know some of you are worried about the first day of school. Do not worry, we are going through this together. Um, and this is a quick tutorial on how to connect the very first day. Um, Now, I know many of you have a Chromebook. So when you open the Chromebook and you turn it on, it is most likely going to ask you for your child's CPS email and password. If you do not have those, please contact me. I do not want to reset all the passwords because I know some students are already active on the account. So please reach out to me um, if you need that information. I will make myself available this entire weekend to make sure that I assist you in being ready on the first day of school. You can message me through Remind, you can message me through Class Dojo, or my CPS email, which is kperalta, Peralta, 13 at cps.edu. Email me with any questions you have. Do not stress about the first day of school. We are going to take this slowly, and I am here to help you every step of the way. Um, so please contact me so that I can help you and we can get through this year a little more stress free because I know it will not relieve all the stress. So once you are logged into your Chromebook using your child's CPS email and password, it will take you to, it will look different than my screen, but you can click on this Chrome icon right here. I already have it open, which is why you see something pop up. But this is the Chrome icon that we're going to be using. So you open a tab, and it's very likely that this is the account you're going to see. Now, if you log in through here, again, CPS email and password, make sure that you do type, if you are going through regular Google, make sure that you type in at cps.edu or it will think it is a regular Gmail account and it will end it with at gmail.com, and that's not what we want. But if this is where you are and you need to access Google Classroom, you go to the Google Apps right here. And Google Classroom is this icon right here. It is very likely that you will have it somewhere in the apps, but just just look through it, go through them one by one, so that you can find Google Classroom, which is this one right here. Now, since they are already logged in, it should automatically take them to their Google Classroom. But I am going to show you a different way that you can also access it if you do not want to go through email or any of these. So you go to portal.id.cps.edu, and it takes you to this login page. Now, if this is a login page that you are using, do not end with at cps.edu because it will mark it. It won't let them sign in. So if you already have this little icon, only the beginning part of their email. Now, these questions are questions that are probably only for a teacher account, so I would not worry about them. Now, this is the portal, and here you also have all of the apps that we're going to be using. This is Google Classroom again, and this is the link, the icon that you are going to go through. So we click on Google Classroom. So this is our first grade classroom, our virtual classroom. We are going to be using Google Classroom, and the first day that you come in, you can either click this link right here, and it takes you directly to the Google Meet link, or any link that you find will take you directly to the Meet. I will not have multiple links. It will be one that we will be using constantly. If I see that, someone else has it that doesn't need it, I will change the link, but I will make sure to let you know. And either way, if you click through here, it will take you directly there. So if you are not in stream and you are in classwork, there's a little icon here that says Meet with a little video. And again, it connects you to our Meet. All you have to do is just click join. So Google Classroom is not too difficult. We just need to know how to work it, but the very first day, or not the very first day, but the first week, I will be teaching your child how to navigate this website and other websites that we will be using. But in here, you will find the work of the week, which is not for this day. We will do this. I will show the students this the very first day of school. Any missed literacy meets or math meets will be in here. So the video recording of them will be in here. However, in order for me to be able to post that information or to post those videos, I do need consent from everyone to be able to. I do need everybody's media consent form. So please turn those in as soon as possible, because if I do not have everybody's, I cannot post anything in here, and any missed meets will be missed meets, and will be, well, the same information won't be given. I can catch the students up, but it will not be the same as watching these videos. So again, I will have any resources listed here. So this class schedule, in case you are interested in knowing what the first day of school will look like. This is the schedule. And again, the schedule also has live links in them. There is a live links to the morning meetings. So here again, this is the same link that I have in Google Classroom. It's the same one that is here. It's the same link that's in morning meeting. They click on it. It might look different on your side, just because you are a viewer and I am the editor. But if they click it, you will see the meet pop up. So again, all you have to do is connect to the Google Meet. That is the very first step. The only thing you need to worry about the very first day of school is connecting at these times. So I will leave that up so that you can see the times that we are meeting, which is at 9 o'clock, at 10:30, and at 1 o'clock. Now, your specials teachers, so we're going to be having music on Monday, Spanish on Tuesday, gym on Wednesday, and Spanish again on Thursday and Friday. They will give me the link. So when at 3 o'clock, in order to connect to their class, instead of clicking this right here, you are going to find the day and you are going to click there. I still haven't uploaded the Meet link, but it will be there so that you can see it the first day of school. Now, again, if you have any questions, any at all, I am here to help you. I am here to help you every single step of the way. Now, I know this is a new challenge. This is all a big transition for everyone, including us as teachers. It's very, very different than we're used to, and we are all going through this together. So reach out to me. I am here to help you, so that you can help your child. I am here to help you as much as I am here to help them. So please, you can reach me through my CPS email, through Remind or Class Dojo. I will respond within 24 hours, and I will make sure that I make myself available this weekend so that I can help you be ready for the very first day of school. And I hope that this video was helpful. Again, if you have any questions, I cannot stress it enough. Reach out to me. I will help you. No matter what question, even if it's the simplest question that you have, reach out to me and I will answer. So I will see you the first day of school. Now, if you did not pick up your student's packet, please pick it up on Tuesday, because that binder will have all of the papers that we are going to need the first week and from now until November. So pick up your packets, and I will see everyone on Tuesday.